I can't even believe I'm saying this, but tomorrow I am going to Bali. It's a 48-hour trip and I'm going with Clinique to celebrate the launch of their biggest launch in 30 freaking years. Just kidding, in 50 freaking years. Next up, Bali. Well, LAX and then Bali. Actually, LAX, Singapore, then Bali. I need some sleep. Every airline hostess here thinks we've never flown a day in our life because we're being psycho. This is her trying to figure out if this bed goes into a flat way. Like, oh, you are way too close to my face.
You're
right
not that
now.
close right now.
You know I need to be drinking more water anyways. Cheers. Wait, this airport's so beautiful. We're like really sad because we have 15 minutes to get to our connecting flight.
And we just found out that we have to go through passport control, so.
But I want to stay in Singapore right now. Let's just travel the world for like a living.
Yes, travel bloggers.
Hey Melissa, are you excited? We're in Bali.
Bali.
We made it. And my hair automatically goes, OMG, it's us. We get signed.
Couples retreat. Just kidding.
Welcome to Bali. Melissa's already annoyed with me. We're low-key hoping we share a room, and by we I mean me. I like want to share a bed. Just kidding. No, I'm not. Clinique! Yes!
Hi, Felicia, how are you?
Hi!
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. We're very excited. Soak every moment in, Deepica. You promised you would. It's happening. "20 hours later, we have arrived.
I feel like this is a documentary and I'm like the videographer in the background. That's what I feel like.
You guys were literally in Bali. Bali.
Bali.
I mean, Bale. So we're currently in Denpasar and on our way driving to UBUD.
We're in Despacito.
No! Making fun of me because I went to Cuba and I was like, can you play Despacito? And they were like, man, what? We keep passing all these like really beautiful temples. It reminds me of villages that my parents took me to when we went to India. I feel so ignorant, and this is like so me just being real. I literally thought Bali was like primarily Buddhist. I just learned from our friend over here that it's 90% Hindu. Oh my God, I'm so excited you're gonna be experiencing my culture. We're theming this Eat, Pray, Bali. This is the theme of the entire trip. It's gonna be so good. I feel like a new woman. I feel blessed and excited to be in our new home. Not a bad new home. We're at the freaking Four Seasons. What is life? Okay, so we got to the Four Seasons. This room is like insane. Got some Clinique products ready for me. Oh my God, this is my private villa. Just for me. I'm like, what? What am I even gonna do with all this? There's like a pool and really big bugs, but like, what is life? Oh my gosh, literally had like 30 minutes to get ready, but I'm ready. And activity number one, you guys, I think we're gonna meet all the other international bloggers that are here. So now we're going to this beautiful swing that has apparently like an insane view of Bali. Someone cleaned up. She's in selfie mode. This is what keeps happening.
I really like my outfit.
I really like your outfit too.
Yeah, it's a little booby, but you know, I love it. Plus I had a lot of pre-workout.
She is Chatty McChatterson right now.
No one would ever guess I was just on a 20-hour flight.
Is that a compliment to herself about how good she looks? Because she does.
No, I'm
look
talking about the
pretty flat.
energy, not the way I look. I'm talking about the energy.
Kiara's from London. We're talking about how much we love London. Bali swing, here we come. Bali swing, Bali swing, Bali swing. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I'm gonna trip and fall.
I'm so excited.
Do you see the multi-vlogging? Heights aren't my favorite thing in the world, but when in Bali, right?
Deep's turn.
I'm about to pee my pants, but it's fine.
Let's just have me survive. Deepica, it's like very liberating. Just enjoy it.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, I'm not that scared.
She's done. She's done.
I'm done. Okay, so I survived. I feel liberated, you know, when in Bali. I feel like a princess.
You look like a princess.
Thank you. So we are at the CHEDI, and I see elephants everywhere. This is stunning. I decided after today, I'm just gonna embrace this like sweat look and just think, you know, it's a part of the vibe. That performance was insane.
The whole village came for that
The
one
whole
performance.
village came. I feel like I learned more about my own religion. Wow, it has been such an incredible day. I felt this like energy in me. It was so incredible. When I started doing blogging, I was working at another company and I started a blog like skindeepblog.tumblr.com because I just love the beauty space so much. And I saw this like contest to be a Clinique blogger. I was like, oh my God, I have to do this. This is like the dream. It was the first 3-step system I had ever used that was like a skincare routine. So when I got this opportunity to be a blogger for them, I was so excited. So what that meant was that they would basically send me monthly products to review for the Clinique YouTube.
Hi Clinique fans, my name is Deepica Mutyala. I'm actually a huge fan of Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, which is the one in the yellow bottle.
That was like the first time I had blogged and had a brand partnership. Here I am now in Bali, celebrating their biggest launch, taking their 3-step system and turning it into my own ID, my own version of this skincare routine, and learning more here in Bali about the irritation cartridge. It feels really full circle. I can't believe I'm here. See you in the morning. Rise and shine. Good morning, Bali. I'm here. That will definitely be having my butt in it at some point. I don't care. I'm making a point. I don't know about you guys growing up, but my parents didn't vacation. Our idea of going to vacation was India, which is beautiful. I didn't appreciate it as a kid as much as I would if I went right now, but coming to places like this just make me feel like I just want to go and explore the world and like see it. Life is too short not to just like enjoy and like embrace moments of everything this freaking world has to offer. All right, for yoga day today, look what they gave us. Find My ID branded yoga from Lulu, cute Clinique sports bra, and green bathing suits. I die. We have our own little hat. I'm obsessed. I have 30 minutes till we have to go to yoga. I thought I'm such an extrovert that I needed to be around people, but something's changed in me in recent years, and I don't know if anyone else has gone through this, but like, I value me time when I can actually take the time to breathe. My friend Tiff McPherson sent me a music meditation playlist, so I'm turning this playlist on, enjoy the rest of my breakfast, gonna relax. We are at 5 Elements Yoga Retreat Spot, guys. Whoa, thank you. There's green juice in every corner. This is like your jam.
It is my jam.
Okay, what's going down right now?
Basically, we are at the yoga hut.
And we're about to do yoga.
Yeah, you guys are going to do amazing.
And every once in a while, we're discussing the royal wedding because we're obsessed.
Basically, that's where my mind is. I'm obsessed with Meghan.
But this is where we're doing yoga. This is stunning. I warned everyone I'm not a pro, but here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. Who are you? I'm just happy I survived. You know what's crazy? Instead of like actually just taking this in, I keep thinking like, how did I deserve this? Which is like, shut up, Deepica, just enjoy it. I'm just gonna go for it, guys. I'm just gonna duck under. It's like one of those moments that when you're just like going through life, you just don't even know how much you needed something, like until it happens. And now that this is happening, I'm like, eat, pray, Bali, man. This is so good for your soul. I'm really going through a period in life where I guess I'm just trying to figure it out. Like, what really makes me happy, like to my core. I started my therapy last week. I kept saying to her, I was like, I'm not supposed to have happiness and balance in my life right now. Like, I'm supposed to be working really hard. And the one takeaway I got out of that was she was saying to me is, you need a divide, because there's no physical way that I can bring my best to what I want to do in this world if I'm not taking care of me. This place is beautiful. I'm gonna be honest with you, because I don't think enough people are. So many times when influencers are on these trips, it's not what it looks. It's not a vacation, it's not glitz and glam. You're there for a purpose. Of course, we're all grateful for it, but you're wondering, how am I gonna get the perfect shot for Instagram? How am I gonna get the content? This trip with Clinique and going to Bali was exactly what I needed. There was no crazy requirements. It was, come here, let us show you about our new product and experience the Bali beauty. I also learned that I can handle bigger bugs than I ever thought in my life. Gotta go.
When someone sees me like a short woman, they're like, oh, she like needs help like carrying her carry-on, and I'm like, let me just put my carry-on in the overhead.
Dude, what a boss right now. Like, just like bossing it up. By the way, this is Julian back there. You're gonna hear more from him. He kind of sort of made the products we're here for.
No big deal.
No big deal.
It's not a big deal or anything.
No. Having a very healthy meal right now.
So LA.
This is actually very LA. Listen, in America when we do dessert, it's like sugar on a stick of butter. All right, this is really exciting. So like everybody knows the 3-step system from Clinique. It's iconic. There's the gel, the lotion,
And the jelly.
3 different bases.
Yes.
And the whole point of this is for CliniqueID is that you can take the iconic moisturizer they already have and make it more customized to make it for your skin.
Yeah.
There's 5 different cartridges,
Yes.
right?
The first one is irritation, is the green one. The second one in uneven skin texture and pores, so this is the blue one.
Blue.
The third one is uneven skin tone, this is the white one. The fourth is the orange for fatigue, and finally purple for lines and wrinkles. And each cartridge has a pure concentration of active ingredients.
The green one is the one we're celebrating and why they brought us to Bali, right? Because the whole point of the green is for irritation, and this is all about Zen Bali life.
So first you remove the cap of the base, you don't need to keep it. You remove the seal and then you plunge inside.
I feel like a
You
scientist.
twist. Every time that you pump, you have 90% of the base and you have 10% of the active cartridge concentrate.
I learned so much. This is why you gotta bring in the experts, because I didn't really know how to describe that as well as he did. Mama Pandu! Look, it says Padma! She's everywhere! I can't escape her. I asked Giddy to bring me here. I saw a Ganesh statue where they're everywhere. Ganesh is the god of knowledge. Literally, can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm about to head to our very last dinner here in Bali. And I'm gonna be late because I had to stop and have the Ganesh moment. It was so important to me, a part of this Eat, Pray, Bali experience, to pray. I don't know, I feel like it was like meant to happen that was the case and reconnect me to my roots. It's not really something I can put into words, but it was amazing. All right, time to go eat. Oh my God.
We're Jurassic World.
Legit though, that's what it feels like. Going out with a bang. My girl Ambika told me to pack this dress. I was like, no, I don't need it. She was right. I love it. It was such a perfect final day gowny sitcho. Oh, lizard. Stop freaking out, Deepica. You're fine. It is my last day in Bali. We leave tonight. It's now 9 a.m. and we're gonna go explore Bali. Wow, that bug is the size of a bird. Just lit an incense. Gonna go put it by the bath. I'm treating it like it's sage. I'm like, I just love the smell. Incense just like always remind me of when my mom did pujas when I was a kid. Pujas are like religious prayers. I used to hate incense because I would come downstairs and it would smell like incense and there'd be dosas being made and I was like angry about it, which is like everything I want in life when I go home now. I so badly wish I got that at a younger age, you know? So I just got to Melissa's room. This is my outfit today. I just feel like it's flowy, beautiful. It reminds me of things I would wear if I was like in India too. Hence this whole trip basically.
You do that on purpose?
Do what?
Look at yourself in the camera.
What? This is it. The trip is done. Truly was life-changing. When we say eat, pray, Bali, the food here was so amazing, but like didn't feel heavy or processed, and it like made me realize like I need to be kinder to my body. You can still have a healthy relationship with food and enjoy food and still be happy. And you don't have to drink. I prayed, we did yoga and meditation. I feel like a new connection with my culture and my religion and this new passion to like care more about it. I didn't know my life could be so transformed in under 72 hours, but it brought a happiness out in me that I haven't seen in a very long time. So whatever your happy is, go out there and find it and get it, because it's in your hands and is truly all that matters in life. And the biggest thing I've taken away from this trip is self-care and self-love is not a selfish thing. It's actually a necessity to be able to give your best self to every part of your life. So I just wanted to like close this vlog out by saying Thank you to all of you. If it wasn't for your support, there would be no reason that brands like Clinique would want to bring me to places like this. So I don't think people even understand what level I needed it. Eat, pray, Bali. Peace out. Dang, hands, why you gotta be so big? You know what? I'm gonna let you do you though. Unfazed by the big hands. Unfazed.